Starting with version 13.2, you can add more than one record item iterator while building a dynamic form and filter which record items are generated in these iterators. With this feature, you can organize the grading items in your dynamic forms into different sections. This can be extremely useful when building complex grade forms that require record items with different grading scales. For example, the form we'll be building in this video will have a pool of record items with a grade scale of 1 through 4 to choose from, and a pool of record items that require a true or false answer. One iterator will generate 1 through 4 record items, and the other true or false record items. First, we'll create a new record item property set with two different types of grading, 1 through 4 and true or false. Then we'll create and activate a custom property called grade type and set the type for the set we just created. This additional record item property is required in order to be able to filter the record items accordingly in the record item iterators within our dynamic form. Next, let's take a look at the grading items attached to our form. Items A through C will be set to 1 through 4. Items D through F will be set to true or false. By default, the first iterator we see is a container for the whole form, which we can call the signoff4 iterator. When we drag another iterator into our signoff4 iterator, it automatically makes it a record item iterator, making the form dynamic. Filtering is only available for record item iterators. In our example, we'll set the record item filter to form record items because we want to use the record items we associated to this form specifically. We'll filter by the grade type custom property we created earlier. Then, for this iterator, the value will be 1 through 4. The record item selection mode will be manual, meaning all the form record items will appear in this iterator if they match the filter we set. For the next iterator, the field values will be almost the same, except we'll select true/false instead of 1 through 4. The system will select the record items manually. After a little design work, you have a beautiful form with multiple iterators that filter by record item properties. With the design done, the form is ready for sign-off. You can see that in the first record item iterator, the 1 through 4 grade scale record items were generated. Additionally, all of the true/false record items appear in the second iterator. To learn more about using multiple record item iterators while building forms, check your Mint manual. Thanks for watching.